Okay, well, my name is Allison, and you're welcome to my house, and welcome to Red Door Coop. I'm a children's librarian in Colorado, and my husband and I, about a year ago, became backyard chicken farmers.
Why did you decide to become a backyard chicken farmer?
It had just been on my mind for a long time that it would be fun, and neither of us have allergies to chickens, which was nice because, you know, we have some pet allergies, and I thought it would be fun to have our own eggs, and that's all. I guess you could say right now between our pen and our coop and everything in it and our food, we probably have about $1,000 invested in everything, and but that, you know, that's the initial startup cost of building our coops, and sometimes you learn things on the way that are a little more expensive than you expect. So.
But daily or monthly maintenance isn't near that cost.
No, it's not too bad. They definitely eat more in the winter than in the summer because they're trying to stay warm, so our food costs are a little higher in the winter. But otherwise, no, not that bad.
So you have 4 chickens. How many eggs do they produce on a weekly basis?
Well, we get 4 eggs a day generally, so 4 times 7 is 28. And it just feels good to be producing some of our own things and not always have to rely on the grocery store. Over here is where we collect the eggs. So in this little door, you can see into the nesting boxes a different way. And there, look, there's one egg. And there's another. This is Bruiser's egg and this is Bill's egg. Careful, careful. See? 2 eggs. It has an optic lens up on the roof of the coop, and when the sun is coming up, it senses that, and that white door down there opens automatically in the morning. Right now it opens around 5:15. We come out around that time in the morning, and we give them fresh water. We scoop a lot of poop, and we make sure that they're all healthy and looking good, and come out. We check them every day, make sure they're looking good. We fill their feed. I'm going to scoop some poop into my red poop bucket while I'm in here. One thing to know is that chickens poop a lot.
You guys getting pigeon snacks?
Heck no.
Why not?
I'd rather have a goat.
You want a goat?
Someday.
Alright, we're getting a goat.
I want a little pygmy goat. Someday.